With virtual private hosting, the resources of the system are shared among a few websites. The number of sites sharing the system is significantly less than with shared hosting. You're allocated a much larger portion of the server's operating capacity and bandwidth. The amount depends on the VPS package you purchase. Virtual private servers do not have the same flexibility as dedicated hosting as far as hardware upgrades and configuration. You're generally constrained to the specifications of the system that you initially signed up for. You can increase your share of the resource allocation to an extent, but not beyond the physical capacity of the hardware on your server. On the GoDaddy.com website, we can see the VPS plans lie somewhere between shared hosting and dedicated hosting in terms of resources. The lowest VPS package starts with 1 GB of RAM, 40 GB of storage, and 1 TB per month of monthly bandwidth. As we move to the right, they get progressively higher in terms of resource allocation and also cost.